What's going on, team? It's your boy Cal back with another one. Shoot. Got all them lights in. I'm gonna show you briefly. We'll be installing some of these light fixtures. But yeah, so this is that bathroom. Yeah. You talking about you think we don't know how to get your Detroit land bank property together? Think again. So we gotta install grab bars and whatnot and get this thing squared away. Boy, you talking about, we're gonna put a medicine cabinet in right there and then get to it. Yeah, we builders over here, we get stuff done. Stop playing with us. So yeah. So again, I had to, because the door opens this way, because they used to open towards the shower, I had to relocate. I had to add these light switches here because we wanted one for that light over there. We wanted one for the recessed fan. And we wanted one for the shower. And the main light for over the vanity right there is controlled by here. So actually, I'll show you guys. Let me turn all this stuff off. Okay, we got everything off. And so I did a double switch here. So you're able to still turn on the light when you walk in here. But at the same time, you can reach and turn on one of these lights here. So that way, that was the compromise we did. So we tiled all the way up. Walk in, so we're gonna be installing grab bars for my client's father. So we can put grab bars here, grab bars there. It's gonna look really nice. So we almost done with everything. Just got done installing the door. So it's coming out good. So big shout out to the team, because we get it in. On to the next one.
Alright, so I have the exhaust fan hooked up. I have my
That takes us back out. Can't see nothing, I'm blind.